Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra wiper blades. First, let's gather our tools. You will need your new wiper blades, a small towel to protect your windshield, and possibly a flathead screwdriver for some blade types. Make sure your Elantra is parked securely. Knowing your specific blade sizes, often around 26 inches for the driver and 18 inches for the passenger, is helpful before you begin. Now let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks. Be gentle to avoid scratching your glass. Next, find the small release tab or button on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade straight down and off the J-hook arm. Once removed, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield, placing a towel underneath for protection. With the old blade off, it is time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is fully seated and will not come loose. Repeat this exact process for the other wiper arm, ensuring both are firmly attached. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Gently lower both wiper arms back onto your Elantra's windshield. Now, get inside your vehicle, spray some washer fluid, and activate your wipers. Observe them closely. They should clear the windshield smoothly and quietly without leaving any streaks or making chattering noises. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for the best visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.